Yo, what's up, guys? Oh, okay, so what's up, guys? Grandma, I'm recording the sky. Grandma, I have to do my intro. What's up, guys? Angelo here, or Lightning Shot here, and I'm staying outside with my grandma. Say what's up. What's up? But yeah, we're just trying to film some dry lightning. It's when there's it's when there's lightning, but there's no rain with it. Oh, did you guys just see that? Back in between here. Okay, guys, I'm just praying that, because dry lightning is very...
Did you hear that?
Yeah, we did. Oh, that's the light.
Can you get over here and meet?
Look, guys, we're just praying that our hills don't get caught on fire, because dry lightning is very, very dangerous, and it could actually catch our hills on fire. So I'm just praying that our hills don't get caught on fire, or else I will have to be quick, like a hummingbird, and unplug all of my electronics, put it in a bag, and put tacky in a bag. Cause that would seriously, Thunder, I'm trying to talk, but I would never leave tacky behind. We brothers for life. Ain't that right, Grandma? You know me and Tacky are brothers for life.
Yeah. So what would you do with Grandma? How would you get Grandma out of the house?
I would rush you. Well, I wouldn't exactly rush you, but I would help you pack everything that you needed. I know I'm filming the sky, but I'm looking at you. Bug Zapper. I'm filming up there. But come on, I'm filming up on the sky.
Well, pay attention. Beautiful.
Okay, but I would help you pack up every... Thunder! Oh, did you guys just see that? Hopefully you can.
I'm holding it up now.
I'm holding it up to the sky, Grandma. Probably because of the shutter tone. Yeah, the shutter tone is not that perfect on here.
Well, you're going to miss it.
I should be watching Descendants right now, but I'm not. I'm filming for you guys right now. Basically the 14 subscribers, if you're watching this, some just went off that way, but the 14 subscribers who are watching this, make sure that you follow, make sure that you subscribe, like, share this video with your friends. I really appreciate... Oh! Did you guys just see that? Man, I really wish I could have shown that, but you can't predict the future. Only magicians which can do that. Thunder, let me speak. Holding up. Okay, but everything is appreciated. Make sure that you drop a like button. If you comment, that would be really nice. Oops, I just went off in that area over there. You can't see my hand, but my finger, but it was pointed off into the directions of the trees right over there. You see that? It pointed into this direction somewhere, this way. But yeah. I don't like usually being outside at night because of moths. I usually don't like moths, bees, any type of flying insect, except for dragonflies, but I still get creeped out when they fly near me. Oh, did you guys just see that? Hopefully you saw that. Probably not, because the shutter is not good tonight, guys. Totally not good. Okay, this keeps on going on. I'm gonna have to make a part 2 to this. I can't keep it above 15 minutes.
I'll charge it and come back.
No, 15 minutes is my limit because I haven't verified my account. So I have to do it for 15 minutes. Oh, there's a plane right over there, not too important. Let's zap her. Vlog. I'm gonna name this Vlog 2. Dry lightning. Is that good? Is that a good name for this vlog? Beautiful, but at the same time it's dangerous because the hills. Did you? Oh, that's scary.
You got that.
You saw that? That's scary. To see all those lines, it kind of looks like the Earth. It's getting scary now.
Yeah, it is.
No, but it looks like this guy's cracking. Oh my gosh. Come on, you want to switch out? You want to record because my hand's getting.
Put your left hand. Put your left hand. Come on.
Like I'm taking a selfie. Selfie.
No.
I'm just kidding. I can't switch the camera angle.
They're coming real quick now.
So we have to keep alert.
Yeah, because they're getting brighter.
Yeah. So if I see one off in this direction over there.
More off to your left.
But if I see it off in this direction. Thunder.
Now wait for it. Wait for it.
So if I see it off in this direction and it's quick, I'll have to go boom and film it. Or if I see it off in this direction, I'm gonna have to go boom and film it. So, both of these arms are getting tired. Tell me whenever you want to switch out, Grandma.
No, you're recording tonight, honey.
I should probably time lapse this whenever I. It is over there.
Did you get it?
I don't know. I honestly don't.
See you. Pay attention.
Yeah, I know, but we can't.
I saw that coming. That's why you don't look back at me. Look at the sky and listen.
Beautiful. Scary.
After the thunder stopped, I said, give it a few minutes. 3 minutes of thunder. Once the thunder stops, the sky is going to light up. So be ready.
Yeah.
You can't miss this.
I can't, honestly.
So pay attention.
Yeah, I'm gonna try. Oh my gosh. Switch now. Coming. Okay. Oh no.
You better.
Okay guys, I can't film for too much longer. My battery's almost dead. It's at 15%.
It's starting to rain.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Let me go check.
I hear it. It's raining.
Oh guys, look! Hey, you can't see it, but okay. Now it's starting to light. Okay, now it's starting to thunder. It's starting to rain, so I'm gonna have to stop this recording sometime soon before it starts. Oh, guys, it's coming down fast now. I might have to stop this in a few seconds, guys. You think I should stop it in a few seconds?
Yeah, well, let them know that you'll recharge and we'll resume filming.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop this recording here because it's starting to rain hard. I'm starting to get cold. I want to watch my Descendants and and my battery's almost dead. So peace out, guys.
Angela, honey, tell them we'll recharge and be back on broadcasting soon. Yeah.
I recorded.
Oh my God, you missed it. He had been recording all this.
On YouTube.
That was...
Yeah.
All
Well,
right.
guys,
You know what?
signing off. Peace.